Hi friends, welcome to Sharmishta's Passion. Today is Kali Pujo. So wish you all a very happy Kali Pujo and happy Diwali. In this video, I have discussed the importance of Diwali celebration and the importance of Kali Pujo. So hope you like my presentation, and if you skip this video, then you are going to miss very important information regarding this festival. So please friends, stay tuned till the end, and if you like my effort, then please do a like, make a comment, and of course share my videos with your friends and families, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications about upcoming videos. The Hindu festival of lights, known as Deepavali or Diwali, is the biggest and the brightest of all festivals. A festival marked by 4 days of celebration, Diwali is witnessed all around India and also celebrated in different parts of the world. Diwali is most often celebrated around late October or early November. According to the Hindu calendar, Diwali falls on the 15th day and hence it varies every year. All the 4 days in Diwali have their unique traditions that fill people with good hope, love, peace and happiness. The history of Diwali can be traced back to ancient India. There are many who believe Diwali to be the celebration to mark the wedding of Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, with Lord Vishnu. Diwali is probably the commemoration of their blissful marriage. Others think it to be a celebration of Lakshmi's birthday, as Lakshmi is said to have been born on the new moon day of Kartik. Kali Puja is one of the most prominent festivals celebrated in the eastern part of the country. Kali Puja is celebrated with Diwali, while the rest of the country worships Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha on this day. In the eastern part of India, especially in Bengal, this day is dedicated to Goddess Kali. Kali Puja, known as Shama Puja, is celebrated on the new moon day known as Dipannita Amavasya of the Kartik month as per the Hindu calendar. The elephant god Lord Ganesha is also worshipped in some homes on Diwali because he is a symbol of auspiciousness and wisdom. In certain Jain homes, Diwali has the added significance of marking the great event of Lord Mahavir attaining the eternal bliss called Nirvana. Diwali is not only important to Hindus but is also celebrated among Jains, Buddhists and Sikhs. For Hindus, it often signifies the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after his 14 years of exile and victory over Ravan. Ram on that special day was welcomed to the kingdom of Ayodhya with rows of diyas lightened throughout the kingdom. Thus, the tradition of lighting oil lamps on Diwali symbolizes the victory of good over evil and freedom from spiritual darkness. With all lights and diyas eradicating dark shadows and evil, and all the prayers and love among people create a wonderful atmosphere full of goodness and purity. The festival of Diwali fills everyone's hearts with an aura of purity and a happy, compassionate mood. Diwali is not just the lights, gambling and fun-filled surprises and gifts. Diwali is also a time to reflect on one's life, past deeds and making the right changes for the upcoming year. Diwali is also a celebration to give and forgive. It is a common practice in Diwali for people to forget and forgive the injustices and grudges. People celebrate with an air of freedom, festivity, and friendliness everywhere. Diwali marks the birth of a new and rejuvenated soul. A happy and refreshed mind during Diwali charges up a person to make changes as a healthy, ethical individual who will be more efficient in their work and will also be spiritually advanced. Diwali is a celebration that unites people from every corner, religion, and caste. The simple smile and a kind, accommodating heart melt even the hardest of hearts. It is a time when people mingle about enjoy and embrace one another. A celebration of prosperity, Diwali gives us the strength and the zeal to carry on with our work and goodwill for the rest of the year, and thus promising us success and prosperity. Thus, people give gifts to employees, family, and friends. Most importantly, Diwali illuminates our inner self. The lights of Diwali also signify a time to destroy all our dark desires, dark thoughts, and have a deeper inner illumination and self-reflection.